So you've been using your vacuum for a while and it's time to change your bags and your filters on your Riccar R27 vacuum cleaners. Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar and we're going to show you how to change your bag and both filters on your Riccar vacuum cleaners. Both the Riccar R27D and the R27P use the same filters and bags, so it's the same for both machines. What you're going to want to do to change the bag, right behind the cord here, and sometimes it's easier to release the cord, but I'm not going to. You just push that button right there. That's going to release the top of this, and our bag is right here. It's really simple. It's just a drop-in bag, pull out. There's a little tab right here. You just grab it, lift it, discard it, okay? Now we've got our new bag, which is right here. We're going to drop it into the bag chamber. And close the lid. Now our bag is changed. The filters. There are two filters on this vacuum cleaner. One would be your HEPA exhaust filter, which is this filter right here. To put a new one on, you just drop these two tabs in first. You'll hear it click into place and that one's changed. The other filter you're going to want to change is your granulated charcoal filter. There's granulated pellets in here. This is the filter area. So you just literally pull this out, pop out the filter, and replace it with the new filter cartridge. Drop that into place, and now your vacuum's like it was when it was new. Happy vacuuming.